it's kind of boring out here. But in the afternoon, it's about to be lit. Yeah, litty. Bro, got my dog in the back, RKSP. Go ahead and support him. But we had the, yeah. This got a little better, right? Yeah, everybody in school. Hey, what's up, y'all boys? It's time to play at the park. Nigga, I ain't come all the way down here for no reason. It's time to play at the park. But y'all already know what's up. See this big park? I ain't going down these slides because I got on some white pants. But I can't do that. You know I can't play with? These things. Nothing moving. Let's go up here. I feel like I'm driving a car. Room. That's the last one. Alright, ain't nothing up here. So, boy, I ain't going down and do them slides. Boy, them slides gonna mess up my pants on me. Let's check up here. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Bro, you slide down here, your pants might be messed up for real. You see, I got on white pants, so I can't go down there. If I have some joggers or something like that, I will go down there. See my boy over there? Y'all realize I just got high, right? Ooh. I would go over there, but it's the thing. You gotta go through that hole just to get over there. And you already know what I'm gonna do if I wanna get up there. It's trying to be a ninja. It's time to be a ninja. It's time to be a ninja. But I ain't trying to motherfucking die. Nah. Bro, get down real quick. Alright, that hot damn. I can't go over though. I can't do it. Unless the only way I would get up there, if I slide right down, grabbing this, slide over there. Bro, I feel like I'm stuck up in the Matrix. Y'all boys, you done climbed it, you done did it like a natural. See that? But y'all boys, do not mind that. Do not mind that. I didn't get up that way. Do not mind that. Check it out, RT. Bro, do it till I spit. Bro, do it till I spit.
Get the job done, though.
You get the job done?
Get your thumbs up.
What happened? Oh, nah. Oh.
Good, though. Tastes good, tastes nice. You feel me? I don't recommend it, but
Yeah.
you know you thirsty. I heard drink the water, man. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, I ain't touching that. No, boy. I'm sorry, I'm not touching that.
Oh! Do not recommend it. I disclaimer, I highly recommend do not drink the water while it's windy. You see where this happened is there, right? You guys, it's very bad, man.
Alright, y'all boys. Let's get to the park. Oh, boy. Hey, Arky, why you ain't doing your push-ups over there? Oh, what doing it?
Yeah, I was in the table right quick. I'm a bit though.
Oh my god. Yeah, you already know, but I ain't doing no push-ups. I'm too lazy for that. I ain't gonna cap. Especially over there. But you see what I got on, bro? It's all sweat. It's all a hot suit, my nigga. It's a hot pocket, man. I'm gone, man.
Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty.
That boy is gone. But y'all already know, I'm walking the dog. Come on. Come on. Come on. Tripping. I gotta teach this dog how to walk. Alright, y'all boys, I'm going.